So this one I call X marks the spot, because to me it looks like a giant X. You know, if you're doing a scavenger hunt or something, leading people somewhere, lay this on top of the treasure and that's where it's going to be found. This quilt block finishes out at 10.5 inches square. Of course, when I attach it to other quilt blocks, it will be 10 inches square. So I want to tell you about this one a little bit. It's very easy to do, but it's a great project for beginners that need to learn how to work with HSTs, half square triangles, and also how to create them, because it's entirely made up of half square triangles, okay? The entire thing is. So what I did is I started with cutting my fabric. When you make half square triangles, you have to start with fabric that's a little larger than what your half square triangle will end up being, okay? I wanted to use 3-inch half square triangles, so I cut fabric that were 3.5 inches square to start. So that's where we begin, okay? All of these in front of you are 3.5 inches square. I cut 6 of them out of just plain white fabric. Then I chose 3 colors. You have a light color, a medium, and a dark, all right? Do 4 of your lights, 4 of your mediums, 4 of your darks. And this is where you kind of match things up and start to create these half square triangles. So first, a light and a dark, I want to put these together and make half square triangles, as well as this. So that, my friends, is going to give us, where is it? The half square triangles that we need, okay? I'll take one of those away. When you match the light and the dark, you end up with a half square triangle that looks like that. So that's perfect. Now for the rest of these, I'm going to take a piece of white fabric and put on the top of those, because I will make half square triangles out of these pairs, okay? When I pair the white with the light, I get this half square triangle. When I pair the white with the medium, I get this one, and the light with the dark, I get that. Very simple, pardon me, very simple to do and good practice as well. So the rest of this is really simple because we're only making like 1/4 of this quilt block. And if you can make 1/4 and just make it 4 times, you're gonna have the whole quilt block. So take your half square triangles and lay them out in this order. And if you would like to screenshot that, I will keep my fingers out of the way for a moment. That's the secret to the X marks the spot quilt block. Create this and then stitch these together. You know, we put them in 2s like this, and then we sew them together like that and make our little quarter. Make 4 of those, folks, because here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You just rotate them and you have got it. So X marks the spot quilt block. I hope you'll give it a try. I hope you will follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.